I want you to close your eyes for just a second and think about this right now. At this very moment, you are standing on a rock hurtling through an ocean of nothing at 67,000 miles per hour. You can't feel it, you can't hear it, but you are moving through the most hostile environment in existence. And the thing is, space doesn't care about you. It never has, and it never will. So what happens when you stare into that darkness long enough and something stares back? Let's start from where you are right now. Tonight, when you step outside and look up, you see stars. Thousands of them scattered across the sky like broken glass on black pavement. They seem close, don't they? Like you could reach up and touch them if you just tried hard enough. But here's what's actually happening. The nearest star to Earth, Proxima Centauri, is 4.24 light years away, which means that if you could somehow travel at the speed of light, 186,000 miles per second, it would still take you over 4 years just to reach the closest one. Now, to put that into perspective, if you were to leave Earth right now in the fastest spacecraft humanity has ever built, the Parker Solar Probe, traveling at 430,000 miles per hour, it would take you over 6,000 years to reach Proxima Centauri. 6,000 years is civilization's rise and fall. Languages would be born and forgotten. Languages would be born and forgotten. In reality, when you look up at the night sky, you're not seeing anything. Light So let's say, hypothetically, you found yourself out there, not in a spaceship, not on a mission, just you, floating in a suit, somewhere between stars. At first, you'd try to orient yourself, right? You'd look for Earth, for the sun, for anything familiar. But here's the thing. In the vastness of space, there is no up or down. There is no north or south. There's just direction. And without a reference point, without gravity pulling you towards something, you would have no way of knowing which way you were drifting. The silence would be the first thing that breaks you. Not the cold, not the lack of air. The silence. Because in space, there is no sound. No wind, no hum of engines, no distant voices. Just your own heartbeat, your own breathing inside your helmet echoing back at you. And then slowly you'd start to notice things. Faint signals on your radio that don't make sense. Patterns in the static that almost sound like words. Surprisingly, space is not actually empty. Scientists have detected radio signals from deep space that we cannot explain. Fast radio bursts that last only milliseconds but release more energy than the sun does in an entire day. Now, here's where things get really unsettling. What if you were out there drifting and you felt it? That primal, instinctive feeling that something is watching you. You turn around slowly, scanning the darkness in every direction. And you'd see nothing. Just stars. Distant and cold and indifferent. In fact, we already know that most of the universe is invisible to us. Dark matter makes up 85% of all matter in existence, and we cannot see it, touch it, or detect it directly. We only know it's there because of the way it bends light and pulls on galaxies. Which means that right now, as you're reading this, you are surrounded by something we cannot see, cannot understand, and cannot escape. Cannot escape. And here's the final thought I want to leave you with. Every time you look up at the night sky, light from your eyes, from your phone, from your city, is radiating outward into space at the speed of light. Raw. Now, there are waves of light carrying images of Earth, of you, traveling through the cosmos, and they will travel forever. Deal. So the next time you're outside at night and you look up at those stars, remember this. You are not just looking at them. In a way, they're looking back. Every photon of light that touches your eye left something behind, traveled across unimaginable distance, and found you. And somewhere out there, in the cold and the dark and the silence, your light is doing the same thing. Traveling, searching, being seen. Space is not empty. It never was. We just haven't learned how to see what fills it yet.